Satire show, boy! And we are getting ready to go to our first rehearsal in Canada. We just finished a delicious breakfast made by our host, Feroz, which is very sweet of him. And now we are stacking up a little gift to give him, which he does not know we are currently doing. We're going to put a little pretty bow on it to surprise him. Alicia is in charge of directing what this is going to look like.
It's actually for his wife. She requested Emerald Peanuts, which is actually not sold in Canada. So she's like, you guys are here. You guys need to get these. So she wanted for 1 can, and we got her 20 cans.
A gazillion. Because we don't know how to take direction here.
Yeah. They had a sale.
They had a sale, and we love our sales because we are brown. We'll check back in with you in a few minutes. We are trying to round up the crew. One of them has been sleeping for 48 hours. And we will let you know when we're ready to go. See you soon. Bye.